Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to your math assignment for this week. It is called Shopping Choices. Here are the goals. Number one, identify sets of objects whose total costs match an estimated sum. Remember, estimated means a guess. Sum means the total. Number two, round money amounts to the nearest dollar or $10. And number three, add money amounts using more than two add-ins. Okay, let's take a look at the example. Mr. Brown is buying seeds. He tells you that he bought 3 items, all of which are different. To the nearest dollar, he spent about $6. The table on the right shows 6 different items Mr. Brown has bought. Now, remember, the total is about $6, not exactly. So, looking at the items, can you find 3 that would have a total cost of about $6? One possible way could be to round the individual prices and check the total. So, when rounded, the green beans are $2, the cucumbers are $2, and the carrots are $2. Which would give us $6. If we use the actual prices, is it still around $6? So add $1.75, $2.25, and $2.05. So $1.75 and $2.25 would give us 4. And $2.05 on top of that would be $6.05. Great. Now I can do another set of numbers? I don't have to use 3 total different items, but I can't use the exact same 3 items. Can you find another way to make $6? If we round the corn to $3, green beans to $2, and sunflowers to $1, that makes it around $6. Using the actual prices of $3.25, $1.75, and $1.35, that would give us a total of $6.35. That works. Based on rounding rules, anything more than $5.50 or less than $6.50, that would be rounded to $6. So $6.35 would qualify. The rest of the problems would be similar. You can start by rounding the individual items to give yourself a guess, but always make sure you solve the exact total as well. Good luck.